Vax, we love clean.
Hello, my name is Vicky from Vax. I'm here today to show you how to maintain and replace the filters on your no loss of suction Mach cylinder. But first, the health and safety bit. Always make sure your machine is switched off and unplugged at the mains. So why do we need to change our filters? Well, firstly, it makes sure that your machine is performing at its best, and also it helps prolong the life of the machine. So at Vax, we always recommend that every time you empty your dirt container, that you always check the shroud on your machine and your filters. So you empty, and you check the shroud on the machine. Now this can be cleaned by using a damp cloth and then left to air dry, but make sure it's completely dry before you replace it. Now the filter on this machine sits at the top, so it's literally a click and remove. Now this filter comes in two parts. Both are to be rinsed under warm water, left to air dry and then replaced. But again, make sure it's completely bone dry before you do that. Now if your filters are very dirty or very discoloured, we recommend to get the best performance out of your machine that you replace them. Vax recommend that you always use genuine Vax spares. The reason for that is they're specifically designed for your machine and you get the best performance out of it. Vax make it really easy. All the filters you need for your machine come in a very neat maintenance kit. You can purchase that from vax.co.uk. So let me show you how to change your filter. Again, in two parts, and it just sits in the top. Click into place. Now, every 9 to 12 months, Vax recommend that you look at the post-motor filter. Now that is on the underside of your machine. Let me show you where. Again, with this, rinse under warm water, leave to air dry, and make sure it's completely dry before you replace it. However, if it's completely discoloured and very dirty, you can replace it. You've got it in your kit. It's quite simple. Pop in. It really is as simple as that. Thank you for watching. We love clean.